Hello everyone. Want to quickly find Windows applications using the command prompt? In this video, I'll show you how to search for apps using the Winget command, and then install the app you need. First, click Start, type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Now let's search for Google applications. Type Winget search Google and press Enter. Winget will display the applications related to Google, along with their names, IDs, versions, and sources. If you want to search for a specific application with 2 or more words, put the app name inside quotation marks. For example, Winget search, Google Chrome, press Enter, and you'll see the search results specifically related to Google Chrome. Now let's try another search. Type Winget search Adobe. You can see the available Adobe applications. Now I'll show you how to install an app directly from the search result. First, copy the app ID from the search result. Then use the following command showing on screen. Replace app ID with the ID you copied from the search result. Press Enter, and Winget will download and install the application automatically. For example, I'll copy the ID for Adobe Acrobat, paste it into the command, and press Enter. As you can see, the application is successfully installed. And that's it! Using Winget, you can quickly search for applications, find their IDs, and install them directly from command prompt without manually searching the web and downloading installers. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Windows tips and tricks.